Canaries by SYBILE, Special Treatment version 3. We start the special treatment with electric diamonds sprinkled in the background. So these are the electric diamonds. Simply sprinkle them in the pink background. And then for version 2, we've got gold crystals that we are sprinkling on the birds, the canaries, or the canaries. So simply place them on those two birds in the picture. And then in version 3, we've got magenta crystals that we are going to sprinkle on her ribbon. So these are the magenta crystals. Place them on the ribbon and with a little bit on her lips, kind of like gloss on her lips. So once again, for Canaries by SYBILE, version 3 special treatment, we've got electric diamonds, gold crystals, and magenta crystals.